Tired of juggling appointments and customer data separately? Let's bridge the gap and supercharge your business by integrating Zoho Booking with Zoho CRM. First, navigate to the Setup menu in your Zoho CRM account. Look for the gear icon, usually located in the top right corner of your screen. Once you're in the Setup menu, find and click on Marketplace, then select All to view all available integrations. In the Marketplace search bar, type Zoho Booking and select the Zoho Booking extension from the results. On the Zoho Booking integration page, click the Install button. You'll be prompted to agree to the terms and conditions, and then choose whether to install for admins only, specific profiles, or all users. Choose the option that best suits your organization's needs. After installation, you'll be directed to the Zoho Booking configuration page. Here, you'll need to authorize the connection between Zoho Booking and Zoho CRM. Follow the on-screen prompts to grant the necessary permissions. Now, configure your preferred settings for how booking data will be handled in CRM. You can automatically create new leads or contacts, update existing records, and map booking fields to corresponding CRM fields. Once configured, every appointment booked through Zoho Booking will automatically create or update records in your Zoho CRM, keeping your customer information consistent and your sales team informed.